Bless.
What's in that bag, boy?
Yo, welcome to my channel. And for today's plan, I'm here with my puppy, Kong. Hey Kong, what's up Kong? For today's vlog, I'm going to do the mini helicopter Cooper Duper Super challenge. And where's the small helicopter? First challenge, I'm going to throw this one and see how it will fall down. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It
My
did
God.
not.
It didn't work. And for the second, the medium. This is the medium one. And so, I'm gonna test it. How will it work? 3, 2, 1. My God, it failed too. And for the last, let's save the last for the best. Ohio, this is for you. Oh my God! My God! I guess this one is the best. This one is the best. I swear. This one is the best. Ohio. Now, let us just wait for the wind. And let us it when there's a wind already. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ohio, this for you. See that? My God, that is the best helicopter ever. So that's for today's vlog, and see you every Saturday and Friday. Oh my God, I'm sorry. This is channel. It's creator de for palama de money. Man, bye bye, JB soldiers, and comment down below. Hit that like down below and subscribe to my channel. Every first one to comment have a free Fly Emirates t-shirt. Okay? Bye bye, Ohio.